It's funny when I travel now. I say, "Oh, we saw you on that video." This is where and we love it when we can synergize with other manufacturers that have products that complement what we do. And this was a video that we shot using the Lanubio speaker soundbar with 7 microphones in it for conferencing that TOA Electronics has, along with our CAM USB, and using our Compass infrastructure. You guys developed a way to recall the presets on our camera, basically turning our camera into a tracking camera based on voice. And this video we shot, we called it Lacambio as our little pet, and we would call him back and forth, and then he would track back and forth. And I don't know, can you get audio on that, Jonathan, or no?
I can, but let's anyway, not. I haven't really tested that today.